Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers in Miles City, Montana. Here we have a Wacker-Neuson GP6600 6600 generator. Now this is running now. These came from United Rental. They said they might be 60 hours on this one. I'm gonna say it probably looks like there might be a little more than that. But anyways, to look at it, it looks very good and clean. Everything works, and this is nothing more than a Honda generator. So look up Honda 6600, it'll be the same thing. And this will be sold Sunday, the 11th of May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana. And if you are in the market for a quality generator made by one of the good companies that makes them, Honda, here it is.